Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of how to set up your business page properly. The first thing you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account. Once you click on your LinkedIn account, the one you log into your personal page, you're going to go up to the top where it says me right up here. You're going to click on there and go down to manage. You'll notice that there'll be a company page option right here where mine says company PSI groups. You're going to want to go there to set up your page. Now, before I click there, if you already have a company page through a separate login, you will need to get out of that page or cancel it or just completely remove it. It doesn't matter if you keep it, it's just going to cause confusion if somebody looks up your company. But if you don't have it set up through here, the reason why it's critical is because you will actually be able to be viewed on the job postings as a company if you set it up properly. If you don't, you're going to default to PSI groups. So click here and it will actually go and you'll be able to create your own company from this page. If you notice, obviously it has PSI group set up, has followers. You'll start getting a lot of activity once you start posting up actual jobs onto here. The other thing you want to do is make sure you share content before you start posting jobs. I don't create it myself. What I do is I go to Integrity's site and I click theirs. I click Forrester's. I do different companies that we're in partnership with. And so I would recommend going and sharing some posts on here to your page so that you have some content. But you'll notice you'll start getting activities and inbox responses. Make sure that you go in there and create that by going to your me up here to the company page. Also, you'll notice that it says recruiter account right here. It also says up the top right there. Either way, it will redirect you to your recruiter page. Once you click on your recruiter page, this is actually where you'll go in and start posting up your post by clicking in jobs. You can click view jobs up here. You can click post jobs up here. You'll notice you have unlimited job slots. If you run through your jobs, please let me know. We'll be able to fix that. But under the company page right here is what is the critical part about setting up your company page. Because if you don't have your company on a correct business page, it is not going to show you right there. So make sure you go and set that up properly so that you get more action and more post at like viewership through setting up your company page properly. If you have any additional questions, feel free to send me an email or to send me a text. I'm happy to answer anything I can. Thanks.